Yo everyone, and welcome to Little Farm Life. A game. Just a game. It's a game. Yo, that apple just got totally annihilated. Recording. Good. Fucking good. Yo, look at this epic pig. Let's put those... Shut up. Let me put him in the pot. Fuck you. Hold on, what do you want me to do? Yes, I made tomato sauce. Dude, I cannot believe how easy it is to make tomato sauce. Where'd that stupid pig go? You're not gonna try and throw me in the water again, are you? Wait, please! Dude, go in the fucking water. There we go. Alright, fine. What's in this? No. Is that a piece of corn? Show me when I find a piece of corn. Epic. Dude, smash subscribe. Let's put this horse in the pot. Show. Foreign countries be like. Smash subscribe for more racist company. Yo. Yo, barbecue? Yo, yes. No, yes. What? Fucking dude. Bruh. What is this game? Alright, you're going on the Barbie. Go on the Barbie. Go on the fucking Barbie. Shut up. Oh, I'm gonna kill him. That bird be like, where are you taking me? Why can't I throw none of these animals in the hot water? Is that a fucking raccoon? Get out of there, you crazy. I'm gonna fucking kill that raccoon. What's in here? Show epic, a pony? Let's chuck this one in the pot. Raccoon. Yes. Finally, I've got a raccoon. Go in the fucking... Good. Go in there. Go in there. Here you go, eat this. Eat it. Eat this. Fucking hate that horse. Yo, where'd that horse go? Where did I throw it? Why is it there? Get those glasses off. Bro, this game sucks. I mean, this game rules. Sucks, it sucks. Sure. Excuse me. You like that? There you go. Oh, let's try. I've got a raccoon. Go in the bin. Wow, you're so chuffed about being in the bin. I just have to chuck you in the pot. What do you want me to do? Or is this it? This is the game. Yeah. So awesome. Look at all this cool stuff I can access with an ad. So epic. What the fuck? Whoa. Why is there a cat? Cat. Meow. Yeah, let's go find something to run over. What's in the outhouse? It's nothing. Shh, that's kind of shit. Yo, that's kind of shit. Yo, I'm gonna back this up. Over the animals. Prepare to get just pulverized. There we go. Yo. Bro, I'm stuck in mud. Yo, that's an epic gamer moment if I've ever seen one. Dude, you need to get out of here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I even brought you into this. I think I'm supposed to be making jam. I think I finally figured it out. Why am I making this much jam? Apparently I can do that as well. You like that? Fuck you. I hate all these animals. Have I been playing for 8 minutes yet? No. Yo, this is the greatest. The direction I'm going with my humor seems to change significantly. Depending on literally nothing. I'm either gonna go, yeah, this is the greatest game ever made, or I never want to play this game again. You're useless. Why do you even... Bird. Bird's like, what you doing? Going on the griddle. Can I put a pear on there? What is the point in this thing? No. 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 There's a fucking squirrel in that tree. Yes. I got a squirrel. Everyone's going in the mud. What the fuck? What was that? Alright. Off you go. Where's that annoying purple thing? Horses. Alright. Blush. Oh, you want a bath? Too bad. Oh, I know. I'll bathe you. I'll bathe you in that. How does that sound? Just kidding. Go back to dreaming of a bath. Did you just eat a pine cone? Oh, you fucking... God, you're stupid. You're so dumb. Stop looking with those dumb eyes, you dumbass. Yeah. Smash subscribe for more insults thrown at this dumb horse. Yo, 8 minutes? No. So cool that I get to continue playing this. Alright, let's get the annoying horse out of here. Go away. Alright, you're going in the mud next. I'd really like a bath now. Got a nice hot one right there for you. I hate this game restricts my, I hate this game restricts my ability to be cruel to animals. Why do you want a bath? You spend all day in filth. Okay? All day. You're a pig. Why do you suddenly care about mud? When did this happen? Wow, that small cat is very psyched about having a horse stand on top of it. Yo, dude, get in the truck. Yo, time to go run over orphans. Yeet. No. Yo, 8 minutes? Yes. Yeet. No, no. There we go. Get the fuck out of my vision. All of you, get lost. Fuck off. Fuck off! You. Yep, restarted the game out of spite. Yo, smash that subscribe right now for animal abuse. Watch your movies back!